Welcome back guys to my video, and today we're going to see how to get the I'm sorry badge. It's the good ending. But I already got it, so this is a tutorial. So this is a tutorial for every one of you guys. No. I'm a Teletubby. Yay! Okay, okie dokie. Just play the game like usual.
Hello, I'm Barry,
Stupid.
your personal friend.
You have to cut these words like usual.
Like 99 nights.
Word 5, word 6. Skip button. To get levity, you have to throw verity to the bed.
Stop!
And then you're gonna
Oh, freaking. We're going to skip this process. Okay? We're going to skip this process.
watch.
Here we are. Now we have to go sleepy.
No one gonna.
Good morning.
No one gonna.
You have to put Verity in house. You have to place
No one
Verity.
gonna watch in your channel.
Okay, Russ.
You.
Okay. I don't care. Now let's keep in mind, Nico is so stupid. No. Okay, that was
Ay.
nothing.
Yung kaklase ko daw, tumae sa balde. Kaya nga siya napauwi. Napalo ko sa tumae sa balde.
Nico, kaya mo mag-whistle ng konti?
Diesel? Hindi.
Pero konting marunong lang.
Hindi.
Ako, konting marunong. I have to restart. Here we are. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's called us. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're going to the observation tower. We call this observation tower. We call this the observation tower. Ay. Observation tower. Observation tower. Observation tower. So are mine. Are these nearby? You cannot collect. And I hate him. Verity. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Mama Tia, Chicaria, Mama Tia, Chicalea. I hate this game. 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 Oh my gosh. Bertie. Oh my gosh, Verity, you're so scary. I must find a way to destroy Verity. Oh my gosh. Okay. First you have to do the game like normally. And if you're at the something's coming 3 days and finish it. And then find the book. You know there's not only 5 books, there's 6. So we're going to find cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything doesn't work. Brain rot him, leave game, throw him into the void, delete file, melee. Yep, it doesn't work even the melee. But there's one right here. Right. This part. And we're gonna get jump scared. But we're not going to die. You feel sleepy. Sleep! Second building, I trust you. No, take me with you. You take him with him. And we're going to go to this building. Right there. That second building. At the middle of all 3 buildings. Yeah, we're going there. And if you don't know, at the first building, yeah, this one right here, Falsity is in it. And if you don't trust me, it's fine. Lab enter. Explore the lab. Here we are. It's not somewhere I describe, but warmly. But I suppose it's the closest thing I have to home. Ma, meron tumatawag.
Sino?
Sa cellphone ko. Sa cellphone ko. Now let's explore the lab. The normal rooms. Like that. And that goldie. But wait. But in this room, right here, you'll see this. Wait, I didn't see this. Stop stealing my sandwich. What the freak? What is that? You clogged the toilet. Whose shift is it? Before 9. What is happening? What happened? We did it. It is unstable. We need to fix new building. What's that? Data. I'd say billions. What is password again? Stop stealing my.
Thank you for contacting Verity Support Services.
Okay. We've seen this. The minions. Di tumawag sa cellphone mo.
Hindi tumawag, hindi talaga makukontak kapag naglalaro ka ng ganyan. Hindi nga na-contact yung cellphone ko. Mga ano.
What is this? What is this? Nothing. We don't really do. Just hand over there. Nothing. Get in the black room. We'll get in the black room. And see. What is this? That mob. Tyler. That mob. Twixel. Grox. Where is Lookout? Me? Why? What? Me? Why me? What is this? Freaking for a second. I I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Let's go back home. We'll take Verity. We'll go back home. We'll exit. Wait. We'll exit the freaking lab. Now we're finally here. Let's just sleep. Go! Go, go, go. I found something. I found something in the lab. We'll go back to the second building. Like normally. We'll go back in the lab and we'll go to the place where that mob trapped him in. And this is it. This is it. This is it. We'll get the good ending. Bye bye, Verity. Ding.